Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 96, factorization, section A, easy. Let's start. The factors of x square minus 16 are, here, remember this formula, a square minus b square equals to, it's an identity basically, a plus b into a minus b. So convert this to a square minus b square, x square minus 16 is what? B square, means 4 square. So x square minus 16 equals to x square minus 4 square, x plus 4, x minus 4. This is the list of all the formulae for squares and cubes, very important ones, in fact not all, important ones. Next, the factors of 15x square plus 26x, minus 26x plus 8 are. So 15x square minus 26x plus 8. Now remember the basic rule of factorization. The multiplication of first and the last number, the product, or the numbers which can come in this product, and the addition of the middle number, means you have to select two numbers in this multiplication such that the addition of these two will be the middle number. Okay, means 15 8 is 120. Now 120 can also be got by 20 into 6, and 20 plus 6 is 26. So if I put minus minus over here, minus 20 minus 6, it will be minus 26, and minus 20 into minus 6, it will be plus 120. Remember, the signs are also important. So here it will be 15x square minus 20x minus 6x plus 8, right? Get it again, minus into minus, minus into minus if you do, that is plus 120, which is required in the multiplication, and minus minus if you do, then it is minus 26, that is required in the middle number. Okay, once you have got this, now it's easy. So take first set of two numbers, 15x. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.